Hey guys, we're going to be playing with my friend Doggy. You should go check her out on her YouTube channel. So, let's do this.
I need a bed.
It's like it's not too hot, not too cold. Temperate, you might say. Yes, temperate.
What?
Temperate.
Is this cat? She loves
This is
it.
back. Yay!
Wasn't there a muscle up? Next
time, out you go.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Oh, no! Ow! Ow. No!
Would you take Toby upstairs
No.
and put him down for his nap?
Upstairs?
No.
That's, it's kind of lonely up there, isn't it?
Would you take Toby upstairs and put him down for his nap?
You know what? Having that idea.
Huh? Yeah, she's on in there.
Never too early to let the couch down.
Okay, fine. I will take him upstairs. And you better get real comfortable on that couch.
Alright.
What was that about?
What?
Not wanting to take the baby upstairs? I mean, that's lazy. From you.
Well,
I don't know where to put it.
that's all.
No, there's something going on.
Now I'm in.
Since when did you become so
Sophia!
interested in me?
Since the cable went out.
No, we're restarting.
This place is great. We should really play that. Thank you. We can't. Part of the agreement about the new apartment is that I never call.
Don't touch me.
You're dog.
That's the bedtime. Dude, there
That's
is no
not
bedtime.
weird.
Yay!
Big set. She's so cute.
Come on, Sophia! Come on, Sophia!
Just run.
You doing it.
Look at this clown.
Come on, Sophia, come on! Come on, Sophia! Come on, Sophia!
Afraid of clowns, are you?
Come on,
No.
Sophia! Oh, run!
Should run.
Best part about this place is
Should run
no
like
one's
him.
around to tell us what to do.
Run like him.
Wah!
Go, you gotta push run. Oh, break one.
Break time. Alright guys, we'll see y'all in a little after break time. Hey guys, break time's over. Let's do this.
Check out my channel.
Alright, come on.
My name's Claire Robbins. That's my channel. Check it out. Hey. That's just you. You have to touch me.
My mom likes you, alright? That's just how she is, you know? She's reserved.
I'm gonna start a good relationship, so
Yeah, she's got some big black eyes. Sophie!
I wanna know who is Lynn Walsh? What's her favorite color? Her favorite food? What's her favorite in the movie?
Alright, well, there's one thing I can tell you. She likes orchids.
So what else?
She likes going to this one fancy place downtown for high tea. that time I dropped Charlie.
Sophie!
That was a really good sandwich.
Now I'm worried I'm gonna do the same thing to Toby.
Alright guys, we're going to be starting a new game. So y'all want to get it ready. Bye. Okay, that's this video, and I'm sorry we didn't do the intro because her mom came in, so guess we'll do another video. Go check out Claire's channel. See y'all guys later. Comment and subscribe. And click and smash that like. Yeah, I'm not saying that. See y'all guys later.
Yeah, that can give you
Bye.
copyright.